Hi everyone, this is a crochet tea coasters pattern. This is a free pattern. First you make 5 foundation chain, make slip knot and make 5 foundation chains. Make one slip stitch and form a small ring and make 10 double crochet or half double crochet stitch into this ring. Here I am making half DC stitch. Make total I have 10 half DC stitch and now I am join together with slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. Now I am attaching my second color yarn. Make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch and make one more double crochet stitch in the same space. Make 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Total I have made 20 double crochet stitch in this round and now I am joining it with slip stitch. If you want to make big size coaster, then you increase your round. Make one double crochet stitch in first stitch. In the next stitch you make 2 half double crochet or double crochet stitch. Here I have made small size coasters, so now I am joining the green color yarn and make V stitch pattern. Make 1 2 3 4 fourth chain, one double crochet in the same stitch, skip the next stitch, go to the next and make one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet, then skip the next stitch, make one double crochet, one chain, one more double crochet stitch in the same stitch. This is a V stitch pattern I am using. Repeat this pattern in this round. For next round I am using orange color yarn for flower. Make a 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch and make 6 double crochet stitch in this space. Now I am going to the back side of this stitch and make one slip stitch, and now I am making 3 chain and go to the very first stitch and make one single crochet stitch, then 3 chain, go to the next stitch and make one single crochet stitch. You repeat the same thing 5 times. Repeat it all around, and this is a very simple rose flower coasters pattern. And please subscribe my channel. Thank you.